All right, so now we're on problem number 14 from the review. So I think this is the toughest one before we get to the proof slash explanation problems. First thing that we're going to look at with this one is I would draw in an auxiliary line that's parallel to the two given lines that are parallel. All right, so notice how I drew that third one in. Now, if we do that, all right, we can use alternate interior angles twice. All right, so we're going to use on the bottom half, we're going to drop a 50 right here. And again, we're using this line and this line, cut by the transversal, which I'll highlight in blue here, right there. All right, so that brings a 50 into the bottom half of that angle. Now, we can do the same thing on the top half. All right, on the top half, we're going to lean on this, and the transversal we're going to lean on is this one right here. All right, so I can use alternate interior angles to bring that 30 down. So I'm really using alternate interior angles twice. Now I've got a 30 and a 50, which is an 80 for the total size of that angle. All right, and that was where X was, so we can go ahead and drop an 80 degrees in for that answer. Again, without the auxiliary line, this is kind of a tough one to see in my opinion. But once we throw that auxiliary line in, it really kind of clears it up, as long as we feel comfortable kind of breaking it into two parts of the question. All right, hope that helps.